Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about HighCharts. So let's see how can we create HighCharts in Laravel 8. For that, first of all, let's create a new controller. So switch to the command prompt and here just type the command php artisan make controller space controller name. Let's say controller name is chart controller. Alright, now press enter. Controller created. Now switch to the project and here I am just going to use user migration. Okay, it is created by default in Laravel project. Alright, now let's migrate this migration. So switch to the command prompt and just type the command php artisan migrate. Alright, now press enter. Migration complete. Now switch to the browser and just open php just open the database Laravel 8 db2 and here you can see the user table, so just browse this. Alright, and now let's insert some records into this table. So for that switch to the project and just go inside the database, then seeders, and from here just open database seeder.php file. Alright, and inside this file first of all just import here, so just write here use picker slash factory as picker. Okay, and now also import the db, so just write here use ruminate support slash facades slash db. Alright, now inside this run function just add here dollar picker is equal to picker colon create. And now just add here the for each, so just write here for each and just add here the range function. And let's create 100 records, so just write here initial value 1 and maximum value 100. Okay, add dollar index, and inside this for each just add here db colon table and table name which is users. Okay, you can see here the table name, and now just call the insert function and inside this add here an array, and inside this array just pass here the name, email, password and created ad. Okay, so just write here name dollar picker arrow name, and for the email dollar picker arrow unique, and just add here arrow safe email. Alright, and now add here the password inside the single quote. Just use here encrypt function, so just write here encrypt, and inside this just add here the password. Let's say password is password. Right, now created underscore add dollar picker arrow. Let's use the date time between functions, so just write here date time between okay, and inside this let's add here 6 months ago, so just write here -6 month, and after 1 month for that just write here +1 month. Alright, now save this file and let's run this. So switch to the command prompt, and here just type the command php artisan db seed. Okay, now press enter. Alright, database seeding completed successfully. Let's check. So switch to the php myadmin and just refresh the table, and here you can see the records. Alright, total 100 records. Now switch to the project and just close this file. Now just open chart controller. So just go inside the app http controllers and chart controller, and inside this file let's create a function here. So just type here public function name. Let's say function name is index, and inside this function just write here $users is equal to user. Also add here the user model. So just write here use app slash models slash user. Okay, also import here db. So just write here use illuminate slash support slash passwords slash db. Alright, and now here colon select, and inside this just add here db raw count, and just add here asterisk edge count. Okay, where year, and just pass here the column name created underscore at date function, and inside this just write here y. Alright, and then group by db colon raw, and just extract the month. Just write here month, and inside this add here the column name created at. Okay, and now just plug the count. Okay, so just write here count. This query count number of users month wise. Okay, now just copy this and paste here, and here just write months. Okay, and here just write month, and inside this just pass here created underscore at as month. Okay, and inside this plug just pass here month. Okay, now let's create an array variable here. So just write here $datas array, and inside this array for each month let's create one element. So just write here 0 0 12 times. So just write here 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 12 11 and 12. All right, and now just add here for each, and inside this for each just write here months edge dollar index arrow sign dollar month. dollar month. All right, and inside this for each, just write here datas, and inside this just write here dollar month equal to dollar users dollar index. Okay, now just return here, return a view. Let's say view name is chart, and pass this data. So just write here compact, and just copy this data and paste here. All right, now let's create the route for this function. So just go to the web.php file, and here just create a new route. So just write here route get and URI. Let's say URI is a chart. Add here the controller name, which is chart controller, and also add here the controller chart controller like this. All right, and now colon class, and add here the function name, which is index. Okay, now save this file. Now let's create this view. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, and here let's create a new file chart.blade.php. Alright, and inside this file, first of all let's add the HTML5 boilerplate. So just type here exclamation sign and press tab. Now change the title here. Let's say title is HighChart. Okay, now go to the Google, and here just search HighChart CDN. Alright, click on first link, and now latest stable. So just click on this first link, and from here just copy this URL, and inside this chart.blade.php file just add here a script, and just paste here the chart.js.js URL. Okay, and now inside the div just body, just add here a div, and set the ID chart dash container. All right, now let's configure the high chart. So just add here a script tag, and inside this script tag just write here where datas is equal to php, and just echo here JSON underscore code, and inside this just pass here dollar datas. All right, then just write here high charts dot chart, and just pass here the ID, which is chart container. Just copy and paste here, paste here, and inside this just pass here object, set here the title, text colon, let's say text is new user growth. Okay, 2020, and now add here the subtitle, text, just add here the subtitle source It's a Surfside media. Okay. Now inside the x-axis, just add here the month name. Okay, so just write here categories, and inside this category just create an array and just write here January, Feb, just write here March, MAR, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Alright, and y-axis, just add here a title, and text is number of new user. Okay, and just set here the legend, layout, vertical, align, right, and vertical align middle. Okay, vertical align, just right here middle. Now just add here the plot option, plot options, and inside this just write here series, allow point select. Alright, now add the series here, and for the series just add here an array, and inside this array pass here object new, name, colon, new user, and datas. Alright, and last one responsive, and inside just add a rules, array, then condition, max width 500, and chart option legend, and inside this just add a layout, colon, horizontal, align center, and vertical align bottom. Alright, now save this file. Alright, all done. So let's check this. So switch to the command prompt, and here first of all run the application. So just write here php artisan serve, and now switch to the browser and just go to the URL chart. Alright, now press enter, and here you can see the high chart. Okay, in January number of users 0, February 0, March 0, and April you can see 5 user, May 13, June 13, and July 9 user, and 12 user, 19, 19, 10, December 0 user. Okay, so in this way you can create high chart in Laravel 8. So that's all about high chart. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.